Hello, everyone. My name is Richard Folter, and I'm the director of WEBA. Today is the 26th of June, and yesterday we had our webinar for the next fam trip held in Frankfurt, Germany, where we will go and visit the medical university, which you have in front of you now. This is the European University Cyprus School of Medicine with the Frankfurt branch in Germany. So in Germany, they offer the medical university. So this is to give you a short information about the fam trip held on the 18th of September in the coming months. So I'm pleased to show you a little bit a short video that we made yesterday about the European University, which has the branch campus in Frankfurt, Germany, and with the head campus, logically, in this case, in Cyprus.
Cyprus the status of being a five-star institution for overall performance. The university has received 5 stars in teaching, employability, internationalization, online learning, inclusiveness, and for the MD Medicine degree. Times Higher Education Impact Rankings placed European University Cyprus among the top 201 universities worldwide in the areas of innovation, industry, and infrastructure. European University Cyprus is part of Galileo Global Education, Europe's largest education group with more than 170,000 students. Its auditoriums have hosted globally acclaimed personalities. Its lecture halls have been graced with internationally acknowledged academics. Committed to an international growth strategy.
So as you can see, this is the campus in Frankfurt, Germany, and they offer the School of Medicine. So in Germany, they offer only one program, and is the School of Medicine, which is a 6 years bachelor program. And the tuition fee per year is 25,000 euro. For your information, and you as an agent will receive 10% commission on the first year. 25,000 euro is per year, so every year your students have to pay this fee. To apply, you need to pay 200 euro registration fee, which is not refundable. And then after, the university will do an interview to your students. And if the students will pass the interview, then they can proceed with the visa process. When they're getting the visa, then the students will need to pay 50% of the tuition fee, which is 12,500 euro. The second payment is to made before the ending of the first semester. So before starting the second semester, the students need to pay the additional 12,500. Logically, the commission will be paid by the university only when your students pay the full amount. So in case your students can pay the full amount in advance, in advance, after they get the visa, then logically this will help the university to pay out the commission immediately. Immediately for university, it's mean in between 1 to 3 months when the students start. So this is very important information. In Germany, they have for this year's capacity of 120 students. And as soon as they reach the numbers, they will close the registration. So in case you still have some students who you think are interested to go to Germany to do a bachelor for 6 years, they still have space available at the moment, today, 26th of June. This is for your information. What is very important for you to understand, the program is in English, and the entry level is in English is 6.0 on IELTS, for your information, or equivalent. So let me continue a little bit with the presentation of the university.
European University Cyprus has expanded its presence in the heart of Europe with the establishment of the School of Medicine in Frankfurt. Take one step forward onto the unfolding path of your future. European University Cyprus will give you the knowledge and the power to begin that journey. European University Cyprus. Empowering greatness.
Okay, our profile. Now we do have 10,000 students. 37% of those are local students and 63% are international students. We have students from more than 90 nationalities, and we do have a portfolio of programs of more than.
So what I want to say here is that in Frankfurt, Germany, they only offer medicine, okay? So in case you're thinking that as well Cyprus can be interesting for you, then it's fine. You can integrate the European University in Cyprus as well. And then, as you can see, they offer different other programs, which is dentistry, health science, psychology, computer science, business, education, and law. And on top of that, what is very interesting is they offer as well the nursing program, but they offer this in Greek. But the GM of the university told me that in case we can provide a minimum of 20 students that wish to do this program in English for nursing, we can come back to them and inform them, and then they will be able to create a classroom. But the minimum should be 20 students, and then the classroom will be in English, not in Greek, because there's a high demand of nurse in Cyprus at the moment. So this is a very important step. Logically, during this bachelor program of nurse, they will need to learn as well Greek. And they will be able to learn Greek free of cost online. So that means that during the bachelor time, they have the time as well to learn Greek. I mean, they are already in Cyprus, then logically they should learn Greek if they want to work in Cyprus after when they reach the bachelor program. But let me continue a little bit more.
And 80, including bachelor degrees, master degrees, and PhD programs as well. Facts. You know the QS Stars University ratings.
Yes,
Every
absolutely.
university.
So this is a very important part. European University in Cyprus and logically in Frankfurt, Germany has a 5-star rate from the QS top university. This is a very important part for you to understand the level of the medical university. Is accredited, the medical university. So this is very important for you to know that Germany has a great opportunity for students when they finish the 6 years bachelor program to remain and stay back in Germany and find a job. Logically, they have 6 years time to look into this, but Germany is very into this to welcome new doctors, and this can be a great opportunity if you are interested to work with Germany and enroll students for the medical university. All the application has to be done via WEBA, as we have an agreement with them, and we will look into every single application. And this will help you to understand that there is no minimum number of students that you need to apply. So as well, if you apply only 1 or 2 students, it's fine. And again, you will receive a commission of 10%. There is no scholarship available in Germany. The tuition fee is 25,000 euro. Just to repeat this shortly. Now, this is a first overview for you to understand about the medical university in Frankfurt, Germany, that we will go and visit on the 18th of September, where we will have a tour inside, we'll have a presentation inside, and this will be very, very interesting for everyone who want to go into this step. For the visa for Germany, it looks very good. We have a lot of students coming from the Southeast Asia, from India, from Pakistan, even from Bangladesh, even from Nepal. So this can be a very good option, even from Africa, from Nigeria, from Kenya, from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from the UAE. from the CIS country, from Latin America, from Europe, logically. So there is a big mix of students. So this is to give you a short overview in refer of the university that we go to visit. To go to visit, you need logically to become a WEBA member. And if you're not a member today, you need to sign up in our portal, which is WEBA Club. We send you the link, WEBA Club, which is the same like webaworkshop.ning.com. We have at the moment, to give you an idea, we have at the moment 4,627 members. And if you wish to become a WEBA member, you need to sign up here and include your company profile. I just opened one, this one, just out of the blue. You have to put inside a professional photo like this one, because we will share every single candidate to the German embassy. And you need to include your website, your company profile, if you registered your company, and some more information if you're a member from some other association. Just you need to sign up and become a WEBA member. To become a WEBA member, you need to pay the membership fee, which is for membership fee is possibility to have a 6 months membership fee, which is $399, or you can go for the 1 year, which is $599, or you can go with the lifetime membership, which is $999. So in case you have a membership, but you did not pay so far, that means that in case you want to attend in Germany, you need to register and pay by the 30th of June, now the next 3-4 days. Because on the 30th of June, we will close the registration for the next fan trip in Germany, held on the 18th of September in Frankfurt. So very important. In case you need to renew as well, you need to renew this by the 30th of June. In case you're not a member, you need to sign up. In case there are two representatives, both of them need to sign up. Both of them need to pay the membership fee. This is very, very important. We already sent an email to every one of you, and just follow the instruction we sent to you. In case you did not receive an email, just send us an email back and we will resend you the information so that you can follow up with your registration, just for your information. So this is all about the registration fee for the next fan trip held in Germany to visit the medical university, which is a branch campus of the European University in Cyprus. So thank you very much for everyone, and I hope to see you in Germany in September. And if not, maybe I will see you in some other events that we have during the year. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish everyone a great day and good health.